Nico has
a gem.
Los niños abren sus regalos.
Oh.
What is it? What's inside? It looks like a King Kong.
Here.
King Kong! That was correct. Oh, and look what we have here.
¿Qué es eso? ¿Es un Godzilla?
Can I tell you guys something? He's a big fan of Godzilla and King Kong.
Oh, he loves. ¿Qué es eso?
He has something. I do not know it.
Kong? What is this?
It's King Kong. Yeah. He's the only type of the kind.
Let me show.
No, he's not the only type of
Let me
this
show the
kind.
camera, okay?
Yeah, and this is what it came in, a type of gem thing. Came in a type of gem thing.
Joya.
Yeah, it came in like one of those minifigures. Yeah, it like these are collectibles. Yeah, collectibles. You have to collect them. Don't play with them.
Coleccionables.
I have collectibles, and it came in the gorilla one. Secret garbage can. And that is a. Now, John, let's just get on to the big one. Open, babies, Philomena. Yeah. Open. Oh, this one's kind of hard.
Let me go first, okay? You do it first.
Yeah. Oh, me got these. Espérate. I've almost got the blast out. Oh, right. We'll get back to him once he gets the scissors. We gotta get back to him once he gets the scissors. Now watch this. This is my baby sister. She got the same. I'm still here. That I had. I had the same thing. Tape. These kitchen scissors aren't that good. These are really bad kitchen scissors.
Las tijeras.
Pretty bad. Not that good. I'm undoing the zip tie. I don't think you can do zip tie with your own.
Abrir. To open.
Oh, yeah, I need scissors. Candy? It's not real candy. It's not real candy.
Agarra las tijeras del cajón.
I need those. There's no more. Yeah, there is.
Hay 3 tijeras en el cajón. ¿De dónde
No.
las 3? ¿Qué le hicieron las tijeras? Oh, una está en el cajón.
She only wants the front, like I'm also saving this. So that later on.
A ver, Nico, a ver. Está en la cámara.
I've been trying to open this. You want to show them? No. Yeah, she has mini candies now. Yeah, I do too. Look what she has. She has. Oh, I'm keeping this in here now. I have the same thing. Yeah.
Cámara.
I'm showing them. Little sanitizer, the baggie. For that goes. And then the thingy. This actually got it inside.
Pasaporte.
Wow. Where are you from? I have the same thing. Open baby? Abre baby? This baby's got
Nico, agarra las tijeras.
This baby's got zip tied. She's not letting me take them. Go get some. There's some right there. Baby? Yeah, baby. I don't need the scissors. I just use my finger as scissors. Yeah, that's how strong my finger is. The atomic breath.
Aliento atómico.
Mommy. I think I can break zip ties just by doing this. I need that scissors. Those scissors now. Open, baby. I still have him in his box.
¿Van a abrir los babies? Oh.
I still have him in his box. Right? Yeah, I already showed you him.
Un diente, es un diente.
I already showed you him, but I did not. Baby! Something's supposed to be at the top.
A verlo. Sí, la cámara.
Cristal.
He comes out of this crystal. He fell out. Baby. I just saw a kitten. Baby sleep time? Baby sleep time? Oh, yeah, baby. Open. Yeah, open. Can I have scissors now? Go, there's other scissors.
Las tijeras.
No, there's not. Yeah, there is. There's white ones on that table. White ones where? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Because now I have scissors. Chill out. Chill. Just so that you know, do not do this at home. I am a professional at using scissors. Me too. Me too. Which I just got. It's out. She doesn't even want the bed.
You want the bed, Philomena?
She only wanted the baby.
The bed's very
mine. It's time to open mine.
Enseña la cámara, ¿qué es?
It's a pet thing. I don't want this tag on it. I hate the tags. It says it's supposed to have a puppy in it. Look what I got. I broke the rules. It's a cat. I like breaking rules. That's a puppy. I know. I might need. I know. It has puppy stuff and kitty stuff. Kind of kitty. Not that much kitty. I see. This is war pain. This is not normal zip tie. This is not normal zip tie. This is not normal zip tie.
Let me see.
It's different zip ties.
Let me help you.
It's stronger. Zip ties. Watch this. Hey. I know. Tape. I hate tape. What's this? Hello.
Baby, come on, get
Get on there.
Open sooner, Kelly.
Take the tag off. I hate tags. I am literally trying to get this Godzilla out for light.
No.
From the zip tie.
Baby, you're scared.
Let's use teamwork. Oh, cute color. Can I use those for yes. I have very strong zip ties, so
Open.
I'm okay.
Open.
No se abre, son de mentiras.
Open the baby, no come.
Look at the cat. It's got a bandana.
Gato.
Look at the cat. Can you get me a bandana like this so I can match with it?
Open.
Son de
Abrir.
mentiras,
To
Bobo.
open.
They're not real. These are fake candy for.
Kitty,
These are
open.
not real. This is your real candy.
What?
Here, have some of this.
It actually opens.
Oh.
It's a little puppy diaper. Scissors failed on me. It's like they're like those bag things that you pick up the dog poop.
Your baby coming.
¿Está comiendo el bebé? Está comiendo el bebé.
Scissors failed on me. Oh wow, actually it opened. Actually, scissors failed on me. The scissors failed on me.
Let me help you, Nico. Let me see.
It's this!
Give it to me. Give me the scissors.
Zip ties are the worst. No, but that's a so strong tie. Look, it's a leash. Oh, it doesn't actually.
Mami abre el juguete.
It doesn't actually work. Sorry to spoil it.
Oh,
what? Never mind, it doesn't actually work. It actually works.
La correa del
You just gotta
gato.
put it on their neck. Mommy. Nico, Mommy, look, it actually works. Can you help? Look, it actually works.
Los niños abren sus regalos.
Yes, this cat is no ordinary cat. It's a dog cat. Nobody knows if it's actually a cat or not. Although it does get a cat-like body. It's a cat that acts like a dog. Nobody knows if it's a cat.
Wow. So cool, Nico.
Yeah, I know. It's breathing out at you.
Papi, no abriste, te tardaste un poquito. Muchacho,
Sit. Oh my goodness, I just had a great idea. We just had a Lego city right here. Bah. Get destroyed.
Fatima, dime tu gatito.
Here, I'm gonna put everything up so you can see it. And how about this compared to King Kong? Look at the size of King Kong. And Godzilla would definitely be smaller too. Godzilla is about the size of King Kong. This King Kong. Ugh! Like, did you know King Kong can jump very high?
King Kong's muy chiquito.
Ugh! But he has this weird thing. Oh, there's poop.
Is that poop?
Yeah, it is. Eat it. Yeah.
Stop.
You ate it. Shame on you, Coggy. It's what Cog did. Cog made it just matter. Poop breakfast.
Ew.
Let me tell you. Here, eat it, Vloggy. Mom, where'd the poop go? He put it. It's a giant poop. No, he.
Mommy did.
By knocking him over. He jumped on the building. There. Look.
Haha.
Look.
The cat King Kong.
Look at this.
Haha.
So you see things one by one. The first thing is up here. You get to pick its name and the date and it's how old it is and its birthday. There's a water bottle. There's a bowl. There's this brush. Yes, I am going to Mexico. There's these soap things.
That's soap to wash it. Look.
Of course, there's this to pick up the
Godzilla
poop.
sees this gem.
Then here's your poop.
Godzilla sees this gem.
Then here's a yarn ball.
Breaks open.
Yarn ball. Yarn ball.
He tries
There's
to break
this
it.
bowl.
He tries to break the gem. But
There's
you can't.
a rope.
Tune.
Look, a rope. There's this. There's a bone.
But there's another layer.
She cares about nothing but some of that. There's this food. And then there's the leash. That actually works.
Wow.
Time to pack you for Mexico. I'll pick your name tomorrow. Actually, that won't go there.
Godzilla finds this other wire. He tries to break it. That breaks. He picks it up.
Mommy, tomorrow can I get some
Oh.
backpack?
You're so rude. You're a giant beast. Kind.
I'll be right back.
You monkey. Look,
Wait.
it's the size
2 minutes later.
Godzilla's a giant lizard compared to a little tiny monkey. This monkey used to be giant to this dude. Now, look now. Oh. Wait.
Don't show the camera at me yet. There's a surprise.
Oh. He just got launched like 20,000 feet away from him. In reality. He just got launched that far.
Put breakfast.
No, I am not eating food. I will not eat food. You're not doing
Tus bebés?
Are
Are your babies okay?
what Godzilla did with his breath. What happened? Godzilla looked more scarier.
Put Godzilla up close onto your thing.
Face. His face is tiny. What is this?
Tiny head
Breakfast.
with a tiny brain.
What is
Oh, that's my camera. That's my camera. Oh, le pusiste unos lentes al bebé. Oh, le pusiste lentes al bebé. Vamos a poner. Y vamos a ponerle unos lentecitos. A ver, a ver, a ver. Ups.
He absorbed his power. He absorbed his power.
Oh, lentes al
He
baby.
absorbed Godzilla's power.
Oh, wow.
Absorbed Godzilla's power.
Ajá, gracias por el bebé. Gracias. Ay, que te dieron Nico acá.
He threw the mega spear at his mouth.
Oh no.
Cat is so fat.
Oh my
This cat is so
gosh.
fat. This cat is so fat.
Oh my
It's so heavy. It's monkey. Smack! You have a tiny noggin.
Wait, this one has a more tinier noggin. A giant lizard.
I'll throw this at you.
A giant breakfast.
Okay, Fatima, párale.
A giant lizard just showed up at her. You're ugly and fat.
Oh, hey, calm down.
You are so rude.
I need my passport.
Here, I have my passport, my ticket. I have my passport.
That was really
She farted.
cheap.
Right in front of the camera.
Philomena, ¿te echaste un pedo? ¿Te echaste un pedo?
She farted. I have my passport and ticket. I want to drop this baby. He looks ugly.
No, I can't have a ticket on it.
It's in my passport. Thank you.
Okay. You can go in the bike. You can't put it right.
I'm missing something.
Hello.
I think it's
Hello. It's
supposed to be like at the top.
Bye.
I'm missing something. I'm missing one tiny thing. somewhere. It's pretty hard to get this in here. Like that. Yeah! You have not absorbed the power of swim. Yeah, King Kong actually does not know how to swim.
Mommy, the baby, yeah, we got it.
Okay.
The car.
Okay.
Baby, get in the car.
Yeah.
Baby, get in the car. Baby, get in the car.
¿El carrito? ¿Lo echamos al carrito? Ok. Ahí está el bebito.
Eat this thing.
Just let you know, we're not Mexican, we're Canadian. We're Canadians living in America.
But we're supposed to.